Hi everyone, very good evening and welcome back to Geeks for Geeks practice. Welcome back to another problem of the day as well, guys. So, guys, please give me a +1 in the chat if my voice is clearly audible to everyone and everything is working fine. Hi to Rishit and hi to everyone else as well. So, yeah, guys, just quickly give me a +1 in the chat and hit the like button so that I can know that everything is working fine technically and then we can get started. So make your presence felt in the comments as well as in the like section. All right. So without further ado, now I'll share my screen, guys, and let us discuss this problem. That was problem of the day for yesterday, and the name of the problem is unique number of occurrences. Right. So, okay. So this much point is fine. Now, unique number of occurrence. So when I think about unique, what comes to my mind? Anybody? Anybody can tell me when we talk about unique. Okay, so is there any data structure that comes to your mind at the very first instance, right? Maybe we have to use it, maybe we don't have to use it, but is there any data structure that comes to our mind? Yes, the set data structure comes to our mind now when we think about unique. Sir's face change, yeah, Joel, like clean shape, yeah. So yeah, if you see here, so the problem says that you have been given an array of n integers and the task is to check whether the frequency of the elements in the array is unique or not. Okay, so in other words, there are no two distinct numbers in array with equal frequency. So in this case, if we will take this particular case, suppose that we will take the case as 1 comma 1. Okay, then we take what, then we take 2, and then we let's say we will write 2 here, then we'll write 5 and we'll write 5 here. Okay, so basically here we are talking about the uniqueness of the frequencies. Okay, so here we have to see whether the array has unique frequencies or not. Okay, unique frequency of elements. Okay, unique frequency of elements, we have to check this, of elements. So here if I will see now, so what comes to your mind when I have to count the frequency? The map data structure comes to my mind, correct? When we think about frequencies, so the map data structure comes to our mind. So basically what we will do is we will store the frequency of 1. So 1 is occurring 2 times, then you will see that 2 is occurring 1 time. Okay, and then after that 5 is occurring how many times? 2 times. So here if you will see, this is the element in the map, and with respect to the element, if I store the frequency, right, so key value pair, here with respect to the value I'm storing the frequencies. So what are the different ways to earn geek bits? I think for this you can either like GFG weekly contest is there, that in that you can participate. In jobathon also I think you can practice, and apart from this you can also participate in the problem of the day every day. These are the ways. Okay, so here you have to see that in this particular array unique frequencies are there or not. Okay, so if you will see here, so what are the frequency? The frequency is 2, then because 1 is occurring 2 times, then another frequency is 1, then another frequency is 2. So can I like if I will put this in a set data structure, because if I have to see the unique frequencies, so suppose that I'll put 2. Okay, let's say I will make a set data structure and I will put this frequencies, right, put frequencies in the set, put frequencies, okay, in the set. Okay, in the set. So when you will put the frequencies in the set, then what is going to happen is you will put 2 and then after that you will put 1 and then you will put again this value, so you will put 2, but actually in a set the unique occurrences are there, so no element is repeated. So in this case the set is having how many elements? The set is having 2 elements. Okay, like set is having the size as what? The size of the set is nothing but 2, but how many elements does the map have? Like in the map, what is the map size? So basically if you will see the map size, so the map size is 3. Okay, which indicates that the number of elements that are present in this particular array, the number of distinct elements present are 3, but the number of distinct frequency is 2. Okay, because the size of the set is what? If you will do s dot size, so size of the set is what, guys? Size of the set is nothing but 2 here, but the size of the map is 3. So in this case both of them are not the same, because you can see that size of the map is telling us about what? Number of elements, and size of the set is telling that we have the size as 2. So the number of distinct frequencies we are having is nothing but 2. So since they are not equal, so in that case we will say that it is not possible. Is this part clear? Because there should have been three distinct frequencies in the set with respect to the three distinct elements. So if the map size, which is representing the number of elements in the array, number of distinct element, if it is equal to the set size, so set indicates how many unique frequencies we are having. Okay, so if the number of distinct elements is equal to the number of unique frequencies, then only we can say that there is no frequency that is same, and then we can say that like unique frequencies are occurring, and we can return true, otherwise false. Is this much part clear to everyone, guys? Please let me know, and please give me a +1, hit the like button if you are clear with this idea. Till now, are you clear with this part, guys? I have passed this, but remaining are unable to do, sir. Okay, I'll try to see what is the issue. We can use set.add method and the if statement. If it is repeated, yeah, you can do those things also. That's perfectly fine. Now, if you will see the second example, let's take the second example as well. So suppose we have this second example. Let me just quickly copy this. Okay. So yeah, let's open this OneNote again. Okay, so let us have a look at the next test case. Now the next test case is what? In the next test case, we are having 2, then 2. Okay, then we are having 5, then we are having 10, then 1, then we are having 2, then we are having 10, then we are having 5, we are having 10, and we are having 2. So if you will see in this particular array, so if I will store the element, and with respect to that in the key value pair, I will store the frequency. Okay, so in this case, you can see how many times 2 is occurring. If I will see, so 1 time, 2 time, okay, then it is occurring 3rd time, 4 time. So 2 is occurring how many times? 4 times. If I see 5, so 5 is occurring how many times? 2 times. Okay, then after that, if I see 10, so 10 is 5 is occurring 2 times. Yeah, 10 is occurring how many times? 3 times. Okay, so 10 is occurring 3 times, and then 1 is occurring how many times? Only 1 time. So in this case, what is the map size? Okay, so this is the situation of the map. Okay, this is the situation of the map right now. Okay, so in the map we are having the key value pair. Just wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, if you will see here, now what you will do is, now if you will see the map dot size, so map dot size is going to tell you what? The map dot size is nothing but 4, because there are 4 distinct elements in the array. Okay, and similar to that, every element should have distinct frequency, right? So if I will do what, now I will have a set. So in the set, what I will do, suppose I am having a set, and in the set I am putting what? I'm putting this frequency. Okay, in the set I'll insert the frequency. So I'll put 4, then I'll put 2, then I'll put 3, and then I'll put 1. So 4 I have put, then I have put 2, then 3, and then 1. So in this case, nothing is repeated. So that is why if I will check the size of the set here now if I'm going to check the size, so st dot size, if you will check, set dot size, if you will check, so it is going to come out as 4. So basically, if you will see here, so the map size here is the same as the set size. So what does this indicate? In this case, it indicates that since the map size indicates what? The number of distinct elements. Okay, this indicates the number of distinct elements. Distinct element, how many different elements are there? And the set size is indicating what? The number of distinct frequency. Okay, distinct frequencies. So since the number of distinct frequencies is equal to the number of distinct elements, so this means that every element is having distinct frequency, different frequency, right? So in this case, as I said, if the map size, okay, if the at the end, if the map size is equal to the set size, right? So in that case, we will say that yes, it is unique, right? So in that case, you can say that yes, it the frequencies are unique in nature, because you can see that no frequency is the same. One frequency is 4, this frequency is 2, then this frequency is 3, this frequency is 1. So there are unique frequencies, we can say, and in this case we have to return true if there is a unique frequency. Otherwise, what we will do is, otherwise we can simply return a false here. Is that clear, guys? Please let me know. Is this part clear to everybody, guys? Tell me, and then I will proceed further, guys. Any doubts till now? Anybody? Or this much part is clear? Let me know. Okay. I think that this much part is clear to everybody right here. Okay. So we can do what? First of all, we will declare a map. So we can declare an unordered map. Okay. which will be int comma int, and the unordered map, basically the map is going to store what? It is going to store the frequencies in Java if you are using, so you can use a hash map. And as I said, I need a set as well, but we will need it afterwards. So first of all, we'll iterate through the array. I starts from 0, I is lesser than n, and then we will do an I plus plus. So we'll keep on iterating through this array. And then what we will do here is, after this particular part, we will say that we need to increase the frequency of each and every element in the array. Okay, after we have increased the frequency, so what we will do? Okay, so you need to understand one thing, that after we have stored the frequency of each and every element in the map, and this is the situation of the map. So if you see any ith pair, so what does any ith pair indicate here? If you will very clearly see, guys, so any ith pair, if you see, okay, so any ith pair has two parts. If you will see, so it is having what, like in the ith pair, like part of the map, you have the element as well as the frequency. So in C++, I dot first indicates for the element, and I dot second indicates for the frequency. So what do I want to store? Like I dot second, now I want, like inside the set, I want to store I dot second. Okay, I dot second, because I dot second indicates the frequency of the ith element that is present in the map. So basically I want to store I dot second inside, right? So that is why what I will do is I can declare a set, unordered set. Oh, okay, and then after this I will declare the set, and then what we will do is we'll start iterating through the map. So we can say that auto I is to map, basically we'll iterate through the map, and what we will do is we'll inside the set, we will insert what, inside the set we can simply insert the frequencies. So all the frequencies will be inserted, and I dot second will for any ith pair of key value, for any ith key value part, we are having I dot second as the frequency. So I dot second we keep on storing, and at the end, as I said, like if it happens that the set size, okay, so if the number of distinct frequencies, okay, if it is equal to the number of distinct elements in the map, so this means that every element in the map is having distinct frequency, right? Because if the number of elements in the map is so basically if the number of elements, if the map size, so which indicates the number of distinct elements stored, if it is same as the set size, so set size indicates the distinct frequency. If they are same, then we will return a true here, guys. Okay, so yeah, we'll return a true. Otherwise what we will do is, as I told you, will return a false. So we will do what? We will return a false right here. Okay, is this much part clear to everyone, guys? Let me know. It shows clearly. I have used this thing. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, I need to do. Okay, I have unordered set. I should do, no? Yeah, unordered set. Just a second, let's try and run this and see whether this works or not. So basically, yeah, it works on the samples. Now let's try and submit this code and see whether it gets accepted or not. I think it will get accepted. It doesn't get accepted. Why? If the set size is equal to the map size, have I made any mistakes here? In this basic question, did I made any mistakes? Because if they are same, so for this case my code is failing. But why? 4 is having how many frequencies? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 0 is also occurring 4 times. So inside the set, set size is equal to the map size. No, it should not have been equal. No, let me check. No, it should not have been equal. No, what error? Plus plus in line number 16. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I need to increase the frequency also, na guys. Sorry. I need to do map of array of I plus plus. So I need to keep on increasing the frequency of every element. Sorry, very basic part missed. Yeah, so this is the code, and you can see that it gets accepted. So is this problem clear to everyone, guys? Please let me know in the chat. Is this problem clear to everyone till now? If it is clear, that we store the frequencies first of all, and then I dot second here is stores in I dot second, because I dot second indicates the frequencies. So we store all the frequencies in the set, and if the set size at the end is same as the map size, so this indicates that the number of elements in the map is same as the number of distinct frequencies. So this means that every element is having a distinct frequency, and we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll return false. If you're clear with this part, so please, guys, let me know, and please make sure to that you are hitting the like button, and just quickly give me a +1 in the chat if this part is clear. If you are someone from Java background, then you can use dot instead of I dot second. What you can use is, I think you can use this particular thing, that is map dot get value in your languages, and you can store this thing inside the hash set. Okay, Joel is clear. What about others? Others can also tell me. I think a lot of people are clear. So guys, please hit the like button as well for acknowledgement purpose. Okay, yeah, you can hit the like button if you are clear, and please give me a +1 if you are watching. All right, Mark is also clear. Yeah, now coming to this, like which companies have asked this. As you know that in July, all the problems that are there, they have been asked in some company or the other. So you can clearly see here that PayPal has asked this question, then Bloomberg is there, Adobe, Google, Apple, and Amazon also. So a lot of good companies have asked this question, and it's a very easy question, to be honest. So let me just provide the code to all of you. And yeah, like we can discuss what issue was there with Joel's code. After this, it shows TLE. So what you are doing array dot count. Let's check what you are doing. You are doing array dot count for int set. Okay, so you are storing in the set. Then if the length of the set is the same as this thing, so in Python this is giving an error. You are saying, okay. So in that case, I think this could have been done in a better fashion, because what you are doing in your code is, let me just check this. Let me remove the screen now. So yeah, what you are doing, Joel, in your code is your return statement should be this thing. Okay, equal. Okay, length of the set array. Yeah, the number of distinct, correct. Joel, your code was wrong in that manner, no? So you got, please say why I got TLE problem. One of the things that is indicated by Rishit is that the number of unique elements in the array should be, you should check that if the number of unique elements in the array is equal to the number of unique frequencies now. So that is one thing that you should have checked in your code, Joel. So are you clear with this part, Joel, or not? Because Rishit has answered this thing. I think this was one of the issues why your code was not working. Can you please type and explain? Yeah, I have explained this problem itself, but if you want to see the, let's say, the Python code for it, so I'll just go to the most successful submissions, and let's see if somebody has written a Python code. So then we can have a look. So basically, yeah, you could have done it like this, Joel. Basically what you could have done is, let's move a bit down. Let's say if we have a better solution by somebody. Yeah, so basically you can see here, na, Joel, what you can do is, basically you can have a for frequency you can have a map, and for every element you keep on increasing the frequency, and at the end what you need to check is, if inside the frequency, if the number of unique elements in the frequency array, if it's equal to the number of unique frequencies. Okay, if the number of distinct elements, if the distinct elements is equal to the distinct frequencies, so in that case you will say that yes, it is true. So that this is how you should have done it, like the way I have done it now. If the map dot size is equal to set dot size, so if the number of distinct element which is indicated by map dot size, if it is the same as set dot size, that is nothing but the number of distinct frequencies, then we will return true. So similarly here also, this guy is checking that if the number of distinct like the number of distinct frequencies is the same as the number of distinct elements. Okay, so that is what you should have checked. You were not checking properly in your code. That was the issue. So yeah, I hope that this is clear. And this problem, as I said, it has been this problem previously has been asked in Google. Okay, so it was asked in Google, it was asked in Adobe also. So it's a very good problem. Amazon also. So some good companies have asked this. And make sure to hit the like button, guys, if you are clear till this point. Any questions with regards to this problem, guys, or everything is clear? Just let me know. Okay, so I think Rishit is clear with this. Thanks a lot, Joel, as well. Thanks a lot, Mark. And thanks a lot, Rishit, as well, as always. So, yeah, guys, thanks a lot for joining for this particular session. In case if you have not hit the like button, so please make sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find this useful. I'll see you with another problem of the day in the next week. And till then, take care, guys. Keep on coding, keep on solving the problem of the day every day throughout this month, and possibly throughout the next month as well. Till then, take care, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Balaji, for your solution at the very end also. Okay, so thanks, guys, and take care, and make sure to hit the like button. All the best.